also too, all guests, all beach towels can now be collected outside on the pier. As you leave the vessel, you're looking for beach towels, they can be collected on the pier as you make your way into Labadee. Okay, once again.
What's up guys, Jeeps here. Today we are at our final stop in Labadee. It's a private island that I guess Royal Caribbean bought from the locals. Extremely hot out here today. Thousands of people getting off the ship. And I'm going to bring you along for today's journey. Currently heading out to Columbus Cove, it's called. Tried to get to the furthest point away from everyone on the cruise ship, because at this point you basically hate everyone on the cruise ship. I'm trying to get over just like to a quiet part of the beach where we can swim around, relax. But it is beautiful here, very quiet, and it's also kind of commercialized too. I think in a good way, because, for example, all of the roads are paved here for you to walk on. Kind of has like a DreamWorks Disney theme, is that right, James?
Yeah. No, not Disney, just DreamWorks.
Oh, just DreamWorks, okay.
This is perfect. Yeah?
Yeah, this is Oasis.